Listen closely. Your bank hates me. Why? Because I know their dirty little secret. They have a special name for their best customers, the ones who pay on time and never pay a cent in interest. They call us deadbeats. Yes, really. To a bank, a responsible person is a deadbeat because we don't make them any money. Today, I'm going to teach you how to be the biggest deadbeat of them all. First, take your debit card. Look at it. Now cut it up. Okay, maybe keep it for the ATM, but never buy anything with it. When you use a debit card, you are spending your own hard-earned cash instantly. You take all the risk. If someone steals your number, your rent money is gone. But when you use a credit card, you are spending the bank's money. If a hacker steals those numbers, that's the bank's problem, not yours. You're fully protected, but that's just safety. Let's talk about the profit. Here's the trick banks pray you don't figure out. It's called the 0% float. When you buy a $5 coffee on the first of the month, you don't actually pay for it until the bill is due, usually around the 25th of the next month. That means you are holding onto your cash for nearly 50 days after you drank the coffee. The lazy capitalist keeps that money in a high-yield savings account, earning 4 or 5% interest during that time. You are literally making money by spending money, while the bank gives you a free short-term loan. Scale this up to your rent, your groceries, your gas. It adds up. Now add the points. A good card gives you 2% to 3% cash back. If you spend $20,000 a year on living expenses, a debit card gives you $0. A credit card gives you $400 to $600 tax-free. The bank charges the merchant a fee to run the card. They take that fee and give some of it to you to bribe you into using the card, hoping you slip up and miss a payment. The trick is simply taking the bribe and never slipping up. But wait, what if I forget to pay? That's what the bank is betting on. One missed payment, and the 20% interest rate eats all your profits. The lazy capitalist fix? Automation. Set your credit card to auto-pay full statement balance every single month. Connect it to your checking account. Now, you physically cannot pay interest. You are extracting rewards, safety, and interest-free loans from a billion-dollar corporation on autopilot. Be a deadbeat. Spend their money, keep yours earning interest, take the rewards, and automate the payment. It's the easiest money you'll ever make. If you like this, hit subscribe. If you didn't, go enjoy your 0% return on that debit card. Stay lazy.